Meaning of fighter.
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 Fighter. Fighter refers to a person who engages in physical combat, either professionally or as a hobby. Fighters can be trained in various forms of martial arts, such as boxing, wrestling, or karate. They typically have exceptional physical strength, endurance, and agility. Many fighters participate in organized competitions, such as mixed martial arts or professional boxing, while others use their skills for self-defense. Regardless of the context, being a fighter requires discipline, dedication, and a willingness to learn and adapt. It is a demanding, yet rewarding pursuit that challenges individuals both mentally and physically.